Good afternoon, everybody. How are we doing today? My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to replace the Steelcase logo badge on the back of your Leap chair. Let's get started. Alright, so in order to remove the Steelcase logo badge on the back of your Leap chair, I'm using a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to insert the tip very carefully to the side of the badge and press in. It should be able to pop right off. Very simple, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to install the new Steelcase logo badge on the back of your Leap chair. So we just want to position it correctly here with the Steelcase logo badge in the middle. Give a nice press up, and it will lock into place. Just like so. Alright, so as you can see, pretty easy process. That's how we replace the Steelcase logo badge on the back of your Leap chair. Have any questions, reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.
Steelcase logo badge on the back of your Leap chair.
Yes.